Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today we are doing one trip. We are going from Lower Kingswood, which is up there, all the way down to Crawley. We're going to be going down the M25 there, down on the M23 going southbound, and we're going to come off at the Crawley exit. Simple, but let's see how many idiots on the way, shall we? As you can see, I'm coming up to this junction here, this roundabout. This is junction 8 on the M25. And obviously, being a motorway, it's 70 miles an hour speed limit. So you build up your speed nice and gently. No point in rushing, especially as you've got a police car in front of you. So take it easy. Why there's traffic lights there, I do not know. Pointless. Now the first idiot we're looking at is this lorry to the right hand side of me, the grey one. It doesn't do anything wrong yet. Wait until I get behind it. So I've merged onto the motorway nice and safely. I want to get past this white lorry, which is going a little bit too slow for me. And I start to overtake it. And I'm about to overtake the grey one when he just indicates and just goes, forcing me to go out to the next lane. Now you tell me, should he have gone then, or should he have just waited? He's seen the signs up here and panicked, I think, that he's in the wrong lane. He wasn't overtaking anything. There was no immediate rush, as you can see from the rear camera. No immediate rush to get out. There's nothing to overtake. And doing that, he's letting people undertake him now, as that car's going to do. Just a bully boy lorry driver to me, that one. We'll move on. So as we come round this bend, you'll see two examples of really poor motorway merging. One makes the police car really slow down, and the other one makes me pull out into the next lane. Now I can't move out because I've got a car overtaking me there, but I still had to do it pretty quickly because that car wasn't slowing up. So two really poor merges there. People seem to forget that it's your responsibility to merge onto a motorway, not the responsibility of people on the motorway to slow down or move over for you. Now I know I'm going to get some criticism here, because not for this little bit here, but a little bit further on I spend too long in lane 2. As you can see, I've gone into lane 2, but it's a smart motorway and I am not keen on smart motorways. That lane to my left should be a hard shoulder. It's dangerous as hell. So if I can, if the motorway's not that busy like it is today, I will stay out in that lane 2. And I know technically I'm wrong for doing so, but there has been so many deaths on smart motorways because of cars breaking down and people driving into them. It's just, I just avoid it. But in my defence, I am doing the speed limit, so no one technically should be overtaking me anyway. And I am keeping up with the traffic to my right hand side mainly. Anyone that goes past me is speeding, by the way. So as you can see, we're coming up to another junction. This is Gatwick Airport Junction, but we're more interested in what's coming onto the motorway the other side of the junction. Another really poor merge onto the motorway. Not by these two. I've seen that car. I've actually slowed up a touch to let it in there. Being an electric car, all you have to do is just take your foot off the accelerator and it slows down anyway. But we're looking at this car here. Believe it or not, he came on at that junction and he's already in the outside lane. Now when we go to the rear camera here, you'll see how he came on. And for some reason, he was really pissed off with me. Now here he is up here. The 24 carat idiot is up there. I can't see him. I can't see him in any of my mirrors. I've got a van next to me, so I cannot move out anyway. Even if I could see him, I've already let someone in front of me, which was fine. Nothing wrong with that. But then this guy gets the ump with me. There he is, coming down the slope. He's not slowing up. I don't know where he expects me to go. Bear in mind, this car here has already moved over for him. He wants me to move over as well. Why would I move over for him? I was always in front of him. He was never in front of me. Bizarre. Absolutely bizarre. And he actually flashes me that I'm in his way. What a muppet. What an absolute moron that is. Someone needs to show him the highway code. Please show him the highway code before he kills someone. He definitely wins slap him round the face with a packet of wet shit award for this video, that's for sure. And the other reason I didn't move over is because I'm straight away taking this exit. Now we'll move on to the next bit here. I sort of like get into the wrong lane here, but I'm not helped by the road markings. They both say straight on. And as soon as you get past the traffic lights, it's a right turn only. So I want to get back over, which I do, fair enough. But this guy just goes straight through a red light. It's like they don't like red lights in Crawley. And as we're almost at our destination here, just to top it off, it says no entry there. clear as day, it says no entry. But on my Google Maps, it was telling me to turn right into there. So as I've always said, use a bit of common sense. Don't rely on your sat nav too much. They're just a guidance, really. You've got to use your own brain.
It's quiz time, it's quiz time, it's quiz time, it's quiz time.
This is on the way back from Crawley. I'm coming to a very interesting roundabout with terrible road markings. So first up, we come to this sign here. What is the point? Put a new sign up there and cover it with a tree. Well done. Next one. On the floor here, you can see that it was a straight on and a turn left only lane. When you get to here, it's a left lane only. But look at the road markings. The road markings say that I can do what I just did. Now if I was in the right hand lane, the lane that I should have been in, I would be in the wrong lane when it got to the exit. So let me know what you think in the comments section down below. Thanks for watching, guys. I look forward to seeing your replies to that one.